Thank you, Brent. Hi, good afternoon po.
Oh,
Tita
there
Mel.
you are. Oh, it's you!
Yes.
Okay, yes. What do you
It's
want to
me
know,
again.
Mara?
I'm not sure if you're gonna like this question. Pero kung sakali lang po na ma-feature ang buhay niyo dito sa Magpakailanman. Ano po yung title ng episode? And sa tingin niyo, ano po yung parang main message ng episode tungkol sa inyong buhay?
I'll think about it. I'll see you next year. Promise.
Pangatlo ko na po ito sa inyo na strike 3 na ako sa tanong na yan.
Oh, that'll be a strike 4.
So the other one naman po.
Oh, pero may isa pa ako.
Ako. Kung ano po yung nakikita nyo for Magpakailanman, your vision for Magpakailanman in the next, let's say, 10 years.
Wow! In the next 10 years? Oh my! Helen, 10 years? They were talking of 2 years. Now it's 10 years. What do I foresee? Magpakailanman. Well, I hope we can continue, maybe not 10 years, maybe that's asking too much, Mara. But kung 10 years, then so be it. No? Of course, I hope, and GMA will continue their support. I hope the advertising industry will also. I hope that it will evolve, the show will evolve to cater to everybody, including, baka dumami pa yung alpha, dumami pa yung, yan, di ba? Bago na naman yan, bagong generation. Uy, naku, hirap yun, ano, Brent? May bago na naman. Ano ba yung susunod sa ano?
Beta.
Ha?
Beta.
May beta na.
After alpha.
After alpha, may beta. Talaga?
Phonetics. Alpha and beta.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Oh my. So, I hope we will be able to evolve also in that sense. Diba? Na, not that we do not yet, no? Pero, yun din, as the evolving, times, no, in the universe, sana, din kami, grasp din namin yung kung ano ang dapat gawin para we will continue being on the air to make people inspired and to make people happy. Yun lang, it's always from our hearts. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, we truly love our televiewers.
Thank you po, Andrea.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Grabe,
You're
na-expand
welcome.
tayo this afternoon. Napakarami natin natutunan. Kaya naman, mga